Good day, everyone. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be taking you through this PowerSchool software. I'll be showing you each module and how you can achieve with each module. My name is Olubenga. I am the application support officer at Damio Services Limited. Welcome once again. This software PowerSchool system is built to manage day-to-day activities of every schools. Any schools you may think of, this application is sufficient and is effective enough to manage their day-to-day activities. There is nothing you need more than what has been built here. So I'll be taking you through these modules. This is the dashboard. Today is December 11. You can see my mouse. Today is December 11, 2024. Today being the day I'm recording this video. So after this is ID Funds College. This account was primarily created for a school, for a college. And I log in with an administrative privilege. So I log in as an admin. So as an administrator of your college, you will have access to all these features, all these modules. We have access to all these modules. As an administrator, you can do whatever you want. You can assign a module to your teachers, to the teachers. You can assign a module to every other staff, to librarian officer, to the front office officer, to the account department, to the human resources department, to the transport department, or to the hostel department. This software, PowerSchool system, is sufficient enough to manage day-to-day activities of your schools. So here I'll be taking you through. As an administrator, once you first log in, this is what you will see. You will see this interface. And when you come to this, you come to under administrator. This is where, as an administrator, this is where you'll be able to set the academic year. You will be able to manage user. You'll be able to create user. Probably you may want to create account for all the teachers, all the cleaners, all the receptionists, all the human resources, all the accountants in your school. Here you'll be able to manage users, reset user password, reset username, user credential, and so on. So here you can manage user feedback. Here we also have front office, which will be assigned for the front office department to manage their day-to-day activities. Here is human resources, which will be assigned to human resources department to manage the employee and their designation. Here is teacher model, which will manage day-to-day activity of the teachers, their department, the classes they will be taking. Here is leave management to manage the leaves of the teacher. The teacher can put in for a leave here, or can come to leave application and put in a leave, create account, add. The teacher will select that teacher, then applicants, because there is nothing there. That's why here we will give the reason why we want to apply for this leave, and the principal or the head of the school will be able to approve or decline the application. As academic model, here you'll be able to set up the classes, the session, the subject, syllabus, material, live class, assignment, and submission. Here is lesson plan. In this lesson plan module, the teacher will be able to put on to put in the lesson plan, the topic, the lesson timeline, the lesson status, the lesson plan under lesson plan module. Here is class routine. Here is guidance to manage the guidance of the students. Here, teacher will be able to manage the students, student type, student list, admit student, and student admission, online student or offline students. There is attendance. With this attendance module, the administrator will be able to manage student attendance, teachers attendance, employee attendance, absent email, and absent SMS. Here is online exam. With this module, administrator will be able to manage the instruction, the online exam. The teacher will be able to set up the exam online, and the student will be given username and password to log in to answer those questions. So with this online exam, the schools can integrate CBT test, CBT exam into this, and it will work effectively. Here is managed exam. With this managed exam, the administrator will be able to manage the grade, the exam term, the schedule, the suggestion, and the attendance of the exam. Here is exam mark. With this exam mark module, the management, the administrator will be able to carry out all these functions. So all these features are available. So here, once you have done the test, the student has done the test, has done submit assignment, has done the exam, then what next is the promotion. That's the assignment, the attendance, and the exam will now determine the promotion. If the student will be promoted to the next class or it will remain in the same class. So that can be set up here under promotion. Also, here is certificate. Under certificate module, the school can generate certificates for students. Here is inventory. The institute, school, and the college can manage the inventory, the supplier, the warehouse, the inventory, the books, the suppliers, and also asset management is available within this PowerSchool system. You can see here is library. Here is library for the librarian to manage the school books. Here is transport. Here is transport module to manage the transportation of the school bus, and so on. Here is hostel to manage the school hostel, the hostel room, and hostel member. Here is message. Within this software, the institute, the staffs and the teachers and all the rest of the staff can send message across to each other, and just like a chat box, that send message across to each other. Also, it's a complaint module. Here, student can log in and complain. In most cases, it's difficult for students to complain physically, but being online, they can log in and complain any harassment, any bullshit within among the teacher or among their colleagues. Here is announcement module. Here, the school can set up the announcements. They can set up the news about the school. They can set up the days that are holiday within the term. They can set up the days that are holidays. Here is scholarship module. The school can award a scholarship to their students. The donor can put in for scholarship to students, and so on. So here you can manage scholarship. Here is events. Here is events. You can manage the events. You can add the events. Whatever event you have, the pictures will be uploaded here. So if this should be viewed on your website, you allow it to be viewed on your website and so on. So the event, when is it taking place? Event place, where is it taking place? Which date? When is it taking place? You select the date automatically. Here is to date, to which date. You select the date and upload the pictures, the image, if necessary. if this image is if necessary. That's why we didn't make it compulsory. It's optional. So here is payroll. With this payroll model, the school can manage their payroll grade. They can assign a grade to the teachers and the staffs based on their ranking, based on their qualification, and based on what the payments, their payments. So, and the mode of their employment. So here is account department. With this account department, we can manage all this. We can manage all this with this account department. And the most interesting part of this software is the reporting aspect of it. Here you can see income reports, you can see expenditure report. These are the report aspects, which is report module that you can view to know how your school is moving, to know how your school is doing, to know if you are running at loss or you are making a good way. Here you can upload your gallery if you have some pictures, and also it also comes with a front end. If you are an institution, a college that doesn't have a website, we can set up a landing page for you using this software. So with this, I believe you are convinced that this software, this PowerSchool system is a complete school management system to manage your day-to-day activities. And the most interesting part of this software is that when you adopt our software, we are available 24/7. We'll be the one to set up all this, and we'll train the person that will be assigned as an administrator. We'll train the person on how to do all this before handing over to your school. So you are welcome once again. If you want to get in touch with us, you can call us on 080-644-34890. The number, you can give us a call. You can as well chat us up on WhatsApp. That is our support phone number. You can chat us up on WhatsApp. As well, you can visit powerschool.com.ng, or you can visit damio.com.ng to fill out our form. You welcome again. Thanks all. Super.